Homemade Salisbury steak. You'll need ground beef, mushrooms, onion, mushroom gravy, brown gravy, and some breadcrumbs. Now take your onion and finely mince it up. Take your ground beef, onions, and breadcrumbs, and some salt and pepper. Get it all mixed up. Patty it out. Then you want to sear your patties. Ooh, look at that. Now make your gravy. I use a little bit of milk. Add your mushrooms. Now take your seared patties, add to your gravy, and allow it to finish cooking for about 45 minutes. And there you have it.